Lesson number 12, 13th year of Makki period. In this year, 72 Muslims from Medina came to Makkah for Hajj. They pledged their loyalty to the Prophet ﷺ on important matters. This was second pledge of Aqaba. Because of the increase in oppression on Muslims by the disbelievers of Makkah, Prophet ﷺ allowed the Muslims to migrate to Medina for their safety. In the beginning of 14th Nabawi year, leaders from Quraysh planned to kill the Prophet, but Allah protected him. The Prophet ﷺ, along with Abu Bakr, sought refuge in cave of Thawr, where they stayed for 3 days. Then on the first Rabi'ul Awwal, they began their journey to Medina. The lessons are: always remember the purpose of Hijrah. Throughout history, the truth has faced opposition, but it has always prevailed, and trust in Allah rather than fearing conspiracies. Important events of the 13th year are second pledge of Aqaba, migration of Sahaba, and migration of the Prophet ﷺ in the start of 14th year. For more details, watch our 5-minute series on YouTube.